Hi, teacher. My name is Henry Justin Carrion. I study in General Electrical in the Faculty of Technical. I am 23 years old. The topic for tutorial is the worst and the best day of my life. The worst day of my life. The death of my pet was a heartbreaking moment. Losing a pet can be a very emotional and difficult experience. The death of my pet was a heartbreaking moment that left my feeling empty and devastated. I had shared many memories with my furry friend, and the thought of not being able to see them again was hard to come to terms with. The grieving process was a journey that involved a lot of tears and reflection. Memories of happy times spent with my pet provided comfort and helped me cope with the loss. It was important for me to take my time to process my emotions and allow myself to grieve properly. Despite the pains, I am grateful for the time I spent with my pet and the happiness they brought to my life. Their memory will always be cherished, and they will forever hold a special place in my heart. My little friends died 1 year out in the city of Guayaquil, died of parvovirus. The best dive of my life, the first dive of class at the university. It's amazing. The first dive of class in university is an exciting and involved event. The morning started early, and after finding my way to the classroom, I joined my classmate as the professor teachers introduced themselves. I learned about the course objectives and the topics we will cover during the semester. I also meet some new people and established some interesting connections, very connections. University is a completely different experience from high school. It's very hard. With a sense of freedom and responsibility that took be my surprise. I also realized that they will need to be organized and have good time management skills to success in university. And 5 years later, I already finished my degree in electronic engineering. I'm very happy. Thank you, teacher. Bye.